I wish I could see your smiling faces, and we're gonna make sidewalk paint today. So the ingredients you need is a cup of water, a cup of cornstarch, and anything to mix it in, but I'm gonna use this to mix it. And then a mixing utensil, some paintbrushes, a cupcake pan, and we're gonna put the different colors in here. And we would usually use watercolors, but I'm gonna use food coloring today. So I'm gonna pour in the water, and then add the cup of cornstarch, and then I'm gonna mix it. And once it's mixed, I'm gonna pour it into the different cupcake holders. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit in the first cupcake holder. Okay, now all the paint is in there. Now I'm gonna add blue to one of my cupcake holders. And I'm just gonna do a couple drops. And then I'm gonna do red. Couple drops too. And then pink. And green. And then we just have a couple white ones. And I'm gonna take my paintbrush and mix the blue. Then I'll take another one and mix the other colors. And the last one, green. So now I can use any of these paintbrushes. So I'm going to start with the blue. And I'm going to take it to the sidewalk. And I'm going to paint a line. Or I can do a circle. So I'm going to use green. And I can bring my paint down with me so it's closer to the ground. And there's my circle. So let me know what you guys can paint, and I'm excited to see it on Facebook. Thank you.